Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to make a quick leaf for any project you want to use. So start with the 6 chains. Now single crochet in the second chain, half double crochet in the next chain, again half double crochet in next chain, half double crochet in the next chain, and half double crochet in the last one. Now cut the yarn, and that's all. It's very quick and easy leaf. You can use it for any project. It looks so good.